Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about integration by substitution method. As the name is given to you, method of substitution. Substitution means to substitute something. In case of integration, method of substitution indicate that you have derivative of the function. But it's depend upon you whether you select the derivative. Maybe it is a depend upon the complete function, maybe it is a part of the function, or maybe it is a small part of angle also. Now let us discuss one question with the help of integration by substitution. The statement of question is 2x into sine of x square plus 1 with dx integration. Now see here, sine having a derivative cos, but cos is not available here, so it is not a part of substitution. If we see its angle is x square plus 1, its derivative is 2x, which is available here, so we can go for the substitution with x square plus 1 only. In that case, if you want to substitute x square only, you can substitute, but this constant having no effect on the derivative, due to that we take constant along with this statement. Now its derivative 2x dx is equals to dy. Now 2x dx is equals to dy. If you see here, it is 2x, it is dx. This complete statement is represented by dy. It is sine of y and its integration. Sine of y integration is minus cos of y plus c. Constant of integration minus cos of y. It is x square plus 1 plus c. This is the integration by substitution. Pause. Correct? See the second question. In this question, if you observe, this is the sine, its derivative is cos, which is not present here. If you observe here, tan inverse x, its derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square, which is available here. So in this case, go for the substitution with tan inverse. Let tan inverse x is equals to y, or derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equals to dy. Dx upon 1 plus x square, that is equals to dy. It is sine, and tan inverse x is equals to y. Its integration minus of cos y plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Cos of y, value of y is tan inverse x plus c. Now let us discuss one more question. See here, it is tangent under root x with power 4. It is secant square under root x dx. It is root x. If you observe tangent root x, derivative of tangent is secant square. It is available, so we can go for the substitution with tangent. Let tangent root x is equals to y. Derivative secant square x, derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x dx is equals to dy, or secant square root x upon 2 root x dx is equals to 2 dy. Now we can replace this value. It is y to power 4, because tangent is equals to y to power 4 into 2 dy. When it is go for integration, 2 is a constant outside. Integration of y to power 4, 5 to power 5 upon 5 plus c. It is 2 by 5. Value of y is equals to tangent power 5 with root x plus c. Constant of